Hi everybody, I'm back again with this $800 PC priceless build for the ones who's been, just want to go ahead and get their PC out, do it right, do it clean, do it smooth, and enjoy the build that you did for yourself. Okay, the parts that I picked for this $800 PC build are the Gigabyte Radeon RX 580 8 GB GPU video card. I'm teaming that with the Thermaltake Versa H18 computer case, along with the Activa 680 plus bronze power supply, with the Uphere RGB LED 120mm case fans, with the Seagate 2TB hard drive, store your games, videos, pictures, movies, etc. on it. That's the way I chose it. 2 GB is good to start off with. Now for your main source drive will be the Western Digital 1 TB Western Digital Blue SN550 M.2 NVMe SSD drive. That would be teamed up with the AMD Ryzen 5 2600 CPU, 6 cores, 12 threads processor. With that, I'm teaming it with the Corsair Vegans LPX 16 GB dual kit, 2 8 GB sticks of 33,000 megahertz. And with that, I'm teaming it with the Gigabyte B450 AORUS M AM4 motherboard. Yes, this is a good build. And for those who want to wait a little longer, yes, the RTX 3080 video card launch video was amazing. I have a priceless build for the RTX 3070 build and the RTX 3080 build, which is the 3080 comes out September 16th. You have to go to NVIDIA website to go ahead on and place an order with them. And the build I did for it is pretty good. I will get that on my list ASAP. Go ahead on and click like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Peace.